I was sent this carbon fiber pickleball paddle and the grit on it is really good. Like you can just feel it right when you touch it. I love the design too, and a really good grip as well. And now let's go see it in action. Plays super well. I'm gonna let my husband try it out now.
All right, in playing with this paddle here, one thing I really like is that it has a very textured surface on both sides. So you can definitely get some good spin to it and have a really good solid contact field as well. So I really like the fact that it has the good gritness to it. Really good texture, really good hand hold as well for the swing. Feels very comfortable, ergonomic, but also light enough to be able to get some good movement as you swing it on by there. So I definitely like it.
I'm gonna agree with all of that. I think this is an awesome paddle and you're gonna love it as well.